Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to find a voice call on Google Chat. So the first thing you have to do, open your Google Chat application. If you cannot find on your home screen, slide your screen into the app library, and after that in the search button just type a Google Chat or simply type chat, and then you just need to go click it to open it. And now you need to wait and decide who's you want to call. So let's say we want to call my friends here, and then to do a voice call you just need to take a look on this bottom features, in the upper corner here, and then there will be two options. One is camera and the other one is magnifier. So to do a voice call, go click this camera symbols, and you just need to go click this chat audio, and after that your Google Chat will be generate you into the Gmail call. So that's the way how to find a phone call on a Google Chat application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel guys, and I'll see you for the next video.